Tonight we're spending the night inside a snow shelter, in the middle of a full-blown blizzard. The temperature is dropping to minus 16 degrees and the wind is only getting stronger. This isn't about comfort. It's about survival.
The first priority is shelter. Without it, exposure can become deadly in minutes. We start carving into the deep snow, packing and shaping it carefully to form solid walls. Snow might look soft, but when packed correctly, it becomes an incredible insulator. As the blizzard picks up, our hands begin to numb, and every movement feels heavier than the last. This shelter doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to keep the wind out and the warmth in. With the shelter standing, it's time to turn it into a livable space. We clear the floor, set up sleeping areas, and make sure there's proper ventilation. In conditions like these, small mistakes can have serious consequences. Carbon monoxide, frostbite, hypothermia. Everything has to be considered. The storm outside shows no sign of slowing down.
Imagine being stranded alone in the middle of a freezing winter forest. The snow is falling heavy, the wind is biting, and every step could be dangerous. Look around. The river is frozen solid, trees are covered in thick ice, and the temperature is dropping fast. Every careful step you take leaves deep footprints behind, but the storm is coming, and visibility is about to vanish. A snowstorm is rolling in, and you're exposed with nowhere to hide. Survival instincts have to kick in, now. Your breath freezes in the air, your hands are numb, and you realize if you don't act fast, this cold could take you down. Hack 1. Heat retention clothing. 6. The first rule of winter survival? Layer up smartly. Start with thermal base layers, wool socks, and gloves. Keep the heat trapped inside. 7. Don't forget your head and face. Covering your hat, scarf, and neck can save your core body temperature drastically. 8. Here's a trick most people don't know. Stuff newspaper inside your jacket. It acts like a perfect insulator against freezing winds. 9. Wear multiple layers, but make sure they're breathable. A zoomed-out view shows how layering keeps the cold at bay even in deep snow. 10. Wool socks and gloves are non-negotiable. They keep your extremities warm, which is critical when temperatures fall below 0 Fahrenheit. 11. Waterproof boots are a lifesaver. Snow crunching under your feet is normal, but wet feet can lead to frostbite fast. 12. Adjust your hood and jacket to block the wind. Even a slight gap can let freezing air steal your body heat. 13. If your body starts shaking uncontrollably, it's a warning sign. Add an extra layer immediately. 14. Wrap your hands with extra cloth if gloves aren't enough. Keeping your hands warm is key to staying alive. 15. Layering a thermal shirt under your jacket adds a second line of defense. Every little degree counts in sub-zero weather. 16. Standing fully layered in the snow, you can see how proper clothing transforms survival from impossible to possible. 17. Zipping your jacket tightly, ensuring no snow sticks to your inner layers, keeps heat from escaping. 18. Finally, keep your scarf snug. Let the wind blow around you, but never let it touch your neck or face directly. This small adjustment can make a huge difference.